In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Microsoft Excel AutoCorrect feature. Whether you're tired of Excel making unwanted changes to your text or you just want more control over your spreadsheet input, I'll guide you through each step to disable this feature. Let's dive in, starting with opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you have Excel open, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a pane opens on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this pane and click on Options. This action will open up the Excel Options dialog box, which is where we'll accomplish most of our tasks today. In the Excel Options dialog box, look towards the left-hand list and click on Proofing. This section houses the settings related to spell checking and autocorrect functions. Once you've selected Proofing, you'll see a button labeled Autocorrect Options. Click on this button to open another dialog box, aptly named Autocorrect, where the bulk of our work will take place. Now, you should be looking at the Autocorrect dialog box under the Autocorrect tab. Here, you have a few choices about how you want to manage autocorrect features. If you're keen on disabling all of the autocorrections, look for the checkbox next to the option Replace Text as you type. Unchecking this box will essentially turn off most of the automatic text replacements Excel performs, offering you a clean slate to input text exactly as you want it. However, if you prefer to leave the main autocorrect feature active but want to selectively disable certain automatic corrections, you'll have the flexibility to do just that. Simply uncheck the boxes beside the specific features you don't want to be active. For those of you who have a certain word or phrase that Excel always seems to correct incorrectly, you can prevent just that particular entry from being automatically altered. Under the Replace Text as you type section, you can scroll through the list or type the specific word into the Replace box. Once you find the autocorrect entry you wish to prevent, select it and click the Delete button to remove it from the list. After you've made all your selections, ensure you save these changes by clicking OK in the autocorrect dialog box and then again in the Excel Options dialog box. This will secure your changes, and from this point forward, Excel will behave just the way you prefer without those pesky autocorrections. And just like that, you've successfully taken control of the autocorrect feature in Microsoft Excel. Whether you want complete control or just minor adjustments, you now have the know-how to tailor Excel's behavior to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling.